Welcome to your new Orbit home. In this video, we'll be finding out general maintenance tips within your bathroom. Shower screens attract limescale, so it's important to keep it clean so that bacteria doesn't build up over time. Remember to clean out hair and soap buildup from your bathroom sink and shower to prevent blockages. Mastic sealant doesn't last forever, so please remove and replace it periodically, especially around showers and baths to prevent leaks. If you are in a hard water area, ensure that your toilet cistern is descaled periodically to reduce the risk of blocking the flush mechanism. You can access the cistern via the front flush panel of your toilet. If in doubt, please seek professional advice. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please contact our customer care team.